How to convert friends to followers on Facebook. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, all you gotta do is head over to your application Facebook, into your login credentials, and make sure that you are logged in into a specific account. Once you are logged in into your account, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. So right now you can see it says friends. In order to convert it, click on this three dot icon. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see the option to turn on professional mode. Once you're inside, click on turn on. Follow the on-screen process and turn on the professional mode. Once the professional mode has been turned on, now instead of friends, you should see followers. It means that it has definitely converted friends to followers. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.